It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. How you doing, guys? I'm excited on this one because it's my favourite. Pure comfort food, shrimp and grits. An absolute classic, an absolute southern classic. It's, like I said, it's just pure comfort food. It's my favourite. The best shrimp and grits I've ever had was in South Carolina. And this restaurant wasn't, wasn't a fantastic looking restaurant. It was just a normal greasy spoon type of thing. But the shrimp and grits, they were famous. And they did them really, really well. Simple ingredients, cooked really well. And that's what's inspired me. See, I can't bloody talk. That's what's ever since I went to that restaurant, I had to make them. And I'm gonna show you today how simple it is. It's just amazing. So first, I need to crack on with my grits. Creamy grits, loads of butter, loads of cheese. So I've got some quick grits. These take around about 5 minutes to cook. Very quick, very instant, and that's fine. These are amazing. And what I love about grits, it's like a blank canvas, like rice. It's a blank canvas. You can add so much to them. You can make shrimp and grits with polenta, but this is the way to go, especially in the south. So to my pan, I'm gonna add some stock and some milk. We're gonna bring the milk and stock up to a boil, and then we're gonna add the grits. It's gonna be good. So this is at a light boil. So now add your grits, slowly. So you've had your grits, turn the heat down to a light simmer. And like I said, I'm using quick grits. So these are gonna take around about 5 minutes to cook. And you'll know when they're cooked, when they're nice and thick. And then we'll add the good stuff. Look at that now, absolutely beautiful. Creamy, it's been cooking for about 5 minutes and it smells amazing. Right, for the cheese, I'm using a white cheddar. Jalapeno white cheddar, so it's got like a little bit of heat to it, but you can just use white cheddar. White sharp cheddar goes fantastic with grits, shrimp and grits. So like I said, this has got a bit of a heat and it'll melt fantastic. So add that beautiful cheese. You know this is going to be good, come on. Get all that cheese in. And then just give that a stir. Look at that. Okay, that's just about done, but I need to season it. Plenty of salt and pepper. Give that a good mix. Look how creamy that is. Creamy, cheesy, unbelievable. I'm gonna cook some bacon. This will add some great texture, some great flavor, obviously. I'm gonna cook the bacon and then I'm gonna cook the shrimp and the bacon fat. It's gonna be delicious. And then just slice the bacon. Oh, this is gonna be good. Just a little touch of olive oil. And you just want to cook this until it's nice and crispy. Right, my bacon is ready. Now for the shrimp. I'm using white shrimp. They're small, but they pack a punch and they're fantastic for shrimp and grits. And if you want to use some big ones, I recommend royal red shrimp. They're like lobsters, they're beautiful. But these do the job. Right, my grits are ready, and this bacon fat, this beautiful bacon fat, this is where the flavor's at. So keep this. This is gold dust. It's going to create fantastic flavor. This is where you got to watch yourself. Keep an eye on it. Don't overcook that shrimp, and you should be good. Check the sizzle. Oh yeah, we got a sizzle. All right, add your shrimp. Now these are not going to take long to cook. Right, next at this stage, some Old Bay. You've got to have shrimp and grits with Old Bay. I love this stuff. And you just want to cook these on a low heat. Not crazy. Some chili flakes, just for like a little heat. Up to you how much. And parsley. Touch of lemon juice. And right at the end, some grated garlic. Just over the top, and just cook that out for about 1 minute. The kitchen smells amazing. Garlic, shrimp, what more do you want? Right, just got to tuck in. Just got to tuck in. Get those creamy grits. That garlicky shrimp. Oh man. Get a bit of that bacon, shrimp. Oh my God. It's not a fantastic looking dish by any means, but who cares? It's the flavour that counts. And that is where flavour's at, right there. So what are you waiting for? Go and make some bloody shrimp and grits. Thanks guys.